So I had lost a tooth when I was younger, and then I had another one that I had a root canal on, and the root canal, over time, I guess they don't last as long, and so Dr. Miller had mentioned to me about implants and the benefits of implants, and so I decided to go ahead and give that a try and to fill that tooth that had been knocked out when I was little and to replace the root canal with an implant.
So for Rick, by replacing his back teeth, we were actually able to stop the wear process that was going on in his front teeth, causing them to become shorter, and we stabilized his bite. And by doing so in the right amount of time, we were able to prevent doing a really comprehensive full mouth rehabilitation because we were able to get him stabilized and make sure that the wear on his teeth was no longer progressing.
One of the things that was helpful to me is, a smile, and having a smile shows confidence and just shows that you're happy, and if you've got some issues with your teeth, not being able to, have a full smile like that sometimes can kind of hold you back, or you just don't feel like you're at 100%. And so having that ability to have that full smile was very helpful to me.